Hey guys, I'm just going to show you how to quickly replace the cabin air filter in a 2016 Ford Fusion. This one's a hybrid, but they're all the same. And like most cars, it's hidden behind the glove box. So you're going to need to remove some trim pieces. I've got this little kit with some trim removal pry bars. You start with this side piece. It comes out pretty easily. It's got 5 little push tabs that are holding it in place. Go ahead and pull that off. Now for the air duct, you just pull it straight back. You don't need any tools. It's also got 5 push tabs on it that line up with the dash. And once you get both of those out, what you'll see is there's 4 screws with 7mm heads. So what we'll do is just use this socket. We'll start with the 2 on top. Those are the easy ones to see. Now there's 2 more down below. There's one down here on the right hand side, and there's one on the left that's tucked up inside of there pretty good. We'll start with that one. And we'll pull the right one out. And once you get those out, the whole glove box pulls straight back easily. Now you have access to the chamber that has the filter in it. Now there's a little door on the chamber that's got 2 screws holding it shut. They're Phillips head screws. Easy to remove. I'm going to go ahead and use a driver to remove them. You could easily do it by hand as well. Now keep in mind, once you get these screws out, the door still won't open. You have to push the lock to the side to get the latch to open. So we've got one on the right, there's another one over on the left side, and once you unlock both of them, then the door will simply open downward and you can get access to the filter. Just pull the filter straight back. And again, what I can't show you in this video is clearly this filter is overdue. I can't show you how bad these things can smell when they're left this long. This thing is filthy. And if we look at it next to the new one here, and I'll give you the Ford part number, but of course, if you need to get an aftermarket, you can. But as you can see, this thing should have been changed a long time ago. I'd recommend about every 2 or 3 oil changes to replace these things. It's just not that hard. Now, it's a snug fit, so to get it in, what you'll probably find is it's easier if you go back and forth from the left and right and push it in a little bit at a time from each side. And once you get it all the way in, same thing, just go ahead and close that door, and you'll need to snap those locking latches. You can hear those snap shut, and once you get that, then you can go ahead and put the screws back in. To put them on, I'm not going to use a driver. It's easy enough to do it by hand, and I don't want to over tighten them. This really is an easy job, so please do replace those filters at least every 4 oil changes. Now the dash has these 6 slots, and they receive the push tabs that are on the glove box. There's also an alignment dowel. There's 2 of those on top, and then you've got the 6 push tabs around the perimeter of the glove box. So as you're putting it in, just check, make sure that the wire harness isn't going to be interfering with anything. Hold that aside, and once you get the tabs aligned, the glove box easily just snaps back into place. Now you've got the 4 screws to put back in. And again, the lower ones are a little bit difficult. I'll try to give you a good view here if I can. It's a little bit tricky. This is the lower right. The hardest one is the lower left. It's just a little bit tough to see up in there. I'll try to give you a better angle. Once you get those 2 in, the top 2 are very easy. You can start those by hand, and And once those are done, you're ready to put your trim pieces back on. We'll start with the air duct. Just line it up and it will easily snap back into place. Same with the side piece. Align the 5 tabs and it'll snap right on. Check your box and you're done. Well, if this helps you out, hope you'll give a thumbs up and subscribe. If you know anybody else trying to do this, please do share this video. Thanks for watching.